belt drying technology originated in North America a couple of decades ago. Since then, it has undergone significant improvements, and the Immel-Pal Group, after successfully installing its first belt dryer in Europe 10 years ago, firmly believes that this is the best, safest and most economical drying technology available on the market today. The first Immel belt dryer, the DYNADRYER, was in fact installed on an OSB panel production line, to dry strands to a moisture content of approximately 2%. These dryers can also be used in the PB industry as well as in the production of pallet blocks and pressed pallets. Immel has a large number of dryers in operation worldwide. The installation of the DYNADRYER has many other advantages over drum dryers. Very low VOC emission levels, well within environmental limits. No change in wood particle color, low temperature. Particles not broken in the drying process. Less resin required as less wood resin is lost, burned. Max dust emission level of 5 mg, cubic meters, guaranteed 10 mg, cubic meters. No electrostatic precipitator required. Simple drying automation process with the possibility of varying belt speed, cubic meter per hour for the fans, water temperature. Requires little maintenance. Perforated belt changed every 5 to 6 years. The modular drying unit can be extended to increase drying capacity in future. Simple to transport, shippable in a standard container. Rapid to install on site, few structures required and no cyclones to be fabricated on site. No concrete foundations required, just a simple concrete base. In terms of thermal power requirements, the Immel belt dryer is comparable to standard drum dryers, consuming on average 0.9 MW per ton per hour of evaporated water. The drying capacity of the Immel belt dryers, DYNADRYER, ranges from a couple of tons per hour of evaporated water up to 35 tons per hour per dryer. These dryers may be single-deck or double-deck in relation to the evaporation capacity required. In either case, since the belt dryers are modular, they can be extended to increase the evaporation capacity. Each belt dryer is divided into independent areas, each equipped with its own heat exchanger units, normally 2, and fan. The Immel DYNADRYER is extremely flexible and has the following automatic regulations to achieve high performance and low consumption. Variation of belt speed to vary the time the material remains inside the dryer and hence the drying time. Variation of fan speed to vary the amount of drying air. Variation of water flow to the heat exchangers, which in turn changes the temperature of the drying air. The moisture content of the material at outfeed and the temperature of the exhaust gases are constantly monitored. Dust emission from the chimneys never exceeds 10 mg per normal cubic meters, hence avoiding the need to install expensive wet electrostatic filters. Lastly, in the event of any unexpected problems arising with the equipment downstream, the belt dryer can be stopped instantly with material inside, without running the risk of fire and without having to empty all the material out. In this case, belt dryer acts as an additional buffer.